This is remote learning initiative by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. I am Rita Palo, your science teacher, and today we will study lesson number 9, states of matter and their properties. Some other properties of materials. By touch. By touch also we can understand uh, the property of the materials. Like mirror, it's plane. When you touch the mirror, the surface of the mirror is plain, smooth. And if you touch the carbon, it is hard, rough. So by touch you can understand the property of plain and rough. By hardness and softness, yes, this also by touching it only you will understand whether the substance is hard or it is soft. If you touch a rock, it is hard. If you touch the bricks, it is very much hard. If you touch a soft toy, it is very, very soft. If you touch the smile balls, they are also very soft sponge. Some allow light to pass through them and some do not allow light to pass. Transparent material. Material that allow the light to pass through them are called transparent material. This light can easily pass from that, like any plastic is there, or your um, window pane, or this glass you can see everything on the side also. So this material is known as transparent material. Translucent material that allow light to pass only partially. Light can pass but not fully is known as translucent material. Like this jug, it is not clear, right? Your windows, you can light can pass from that. Outside light comes inside, inside light goes outside, but you cannot see from the window panes properly who is standing outside. Opaque material. The material that do not allow light to pass through them are known as opaque material, like wooden sheet or your wall, your books. You cannot see R-bar of your books. It is an opaque material. Some break and some do not break. Like if you take a mirror, it falls by mistake, it falls from your hand. What will happen? It will turn into lack of pieces. So it will break. So it is a brittle. It is brittle. And if you take bricks, bricks will also break, but not into hundred of pieces. Right? So some things break and some do not break. Stainless steel, compared to the rest two, stainless steel, it does not, if it falls from your hand, it will not break into pieces, right? You have to apply force to turn into pieces. Some conduct heat and some do not conduct heat. For example, take a boiling water. Now take a steel spoon and try to stir it, and take a wooden spoon and take to stir it. Which spoon will get hotter? Steel spoon or wooden spoon? Steel spoon will get hot and wooden spoon will not get hot because steel spoon has metal. So metal conduct heat. When you will put the steel spoon in water, it will you will use the steel spoon to uh, do the things. Then the heat will be transferred in the metal. And the same thing if you are doing with the wooden spoon, the heat will not be transferred. Some material dissolve in water and some do not dissolve in water. For example, salt. Salt dissolves in water, and other is alcohol. Alcohol does not dissolve in water. If you see a salt in water, yes, it is completely dissolved. You cannot see anything inside. And sand in water, if you put sand in water, those sand particles remain down. So it does not dissolve. So some material they dissolve in water and some does not dissolve in water. Some materials are attracted towards magnet, but many do not. Like iron nails, if you take. Magnetic substance that attract towards the magnet are called magnetism. Like iron nail, if you take a iron nail, so it gets attracted towards the magnet. So all iron things get attracted towards the magnet. That is metals. Metals get attracted towards magnet. And non-magnetic substance. Substance that do not attract towards the magnet are known as non-magnetic substance. Like if you take a wood and take a magnet, so it will not attract each other. Some have different color. Materials have different colors. Different materials have different color. Like aluminium is white in color. Copper is reddish brown in color. Gold is yellow in color. Coal is black in color. So different metals have different colors. Different food materials have different taste and different smell. If you take sugar, it is sweet. If you take neem, it is bitter. If you take raw mango, it is sour. Same way, the smell of rose flower is different from smell of marigold. So, different food items have different taste and different smell. Different flowers have different smell. Even different food items are having different smell.